and welcome. Today, we're going to demystify a crucial concept in modern software architecture: microservices patterns. These patterns are essential blueprints that help us design, build, and manage robust, scalable, and resilient microservices applications. Let's dive into some of the most common and powerful ones. We'll start with the top row of patterns. First up, on the far left, we have the API gateway pattern. Imagine a single door for all your clients to enter. That's what an API gateway does. It acts as a single entry point, simplifying how clients interact with your various microservices. Next, moving to the right, is the circuit breaker pattern. Think of it like an electrical circuit breaker in your home. If a service starts to fail repeatedly, this pattern trips, preventing cascading failures across your entire system. It helps to isolate problems and maintain overall stability. Following that, we have the service discovery pattern. In a microservices world, services are constantly starting, stopping, and moving. Service discovery allows services to dynamically find and route requests to each other, ensuring smooth communication without hard-coding locations. The fourth pattern is the saga pattern. When you have distributed transactions that involve multiple services, ensuring data consistency can be tricky. The saga pattern helps manage these complex distributed transactions effectively, ensuring that all parts of a multi-step process complete correctly or are rolled back if an error occurs. And finally, on the far right of the top row, we see the event sourcing pattern. This pattern doesn't just store the current state of your data, it captures every change as a sequence of immutable events. This provides a complete audit trail, allows for powerful analytics, and enables easier debugging and state reconstruction. Now, let's explore some equally important patterns in the bottom row. Beginning on the left, we have the CQRS pattern, which stands for Command Query Responsibility Segregation. This pattern separates the operations for reading data, known as queries, from the operations for updating data, known as commands. This separation optimizes both performance and scalability for different types of data access. Adjacent to CQRS is the Strangler Fig pattern. This is a great pattern for modernizing old or legacy systems. It involves gradually migrating functionalities from the monolithic legacy system to new microservices, effectively strangling the old system until it can be fully retired, one piece at a time. Moving along, we encounter the bulkhead pattern. Inspired by the compartments in a ship's hull, this pattern isolates components to prevent failures in one part of the system from bringing down the entire application. If one service experiences issues, the bulkhead contains the problem, protecting others. Next is the retry pattern. As the name suggests, this pattern automatically retries failed operations. In distributed systems, temporary network glitches or brief service unavailability are common. The retry pattern adds resilience by giving operations another chance to succeed. And lastly, on the far right, we have the sidecar pattern. Think of a sidecar on a motorcycle. This pattern deploys a sidecar container alongside your main application service. This sidecar handles cross-cutting concerns like logging, monitoring, or security, allowing your main service to focus purely on its business logic. These microservices patterns, from managing entry points to handling failures and enabling smooth communication, are fundamental to building robust and agile distributed systems. Understanding them is key to successful microservices adoption. Professional background